Early intervention is so key in helping children in need. And speaking of schools and organizations that do great work for kids, later on this morning, the Matheny Medical and Educational Center, a special hospital and educational facility for children and adults with complex developmental disabilities, will hold its 12th annual Miles for Matheny fundraiser. It's a great community event that includes an inspirational walk, a 5K run, a kid fun run, and a celebration picnic. Debbie O'Connor knows firsthand the importance of the center. Her son Ryan attends the Matheny School. Debbie joins us now to tell us more about their work and why her whole family is part of Miles for Matheny. Debbie, thank you so much for coming in here. What sets Matheny apart from other facilities for the disabled?
I think the key factor for us with Ryan and how I summarize it is, I always say we've been chosen as parents to have these children by a much higher power. And when you go to Matheny, every person involved there, whether it's teachers, therapists, any staff member, chooses every day to be part of our children's lives. They teach them, they love them, they care for them, and these children thrive because of the remarkable people that are at this school.
I know a lot of the projects they have are outside the box. They're art classes, poetry, those kinds of things that go beyond just teaching these adults and children how to function.
Yes, it goes beyond what a parent can do for a special needs child. Ryan's been horseback riding for 2 years. He's gone to the baseball games. He goes to the circus. They involve these children as if they were like any other child.
Yeah. And Miles for Matheny it's more than just a fundraiser, although they raised over $200,000 last year. It's really more like a big family reunion, isn't it?
It's great. It's very overwhelming, and it's just a wonderful experience to see the support of all of the children there and the families, especially from people that have never met any of the children or Ryan. We get so many donations from people who have never met Ryan, and it's very overwhelming.
You know, the places like Matheny enriches these kids and adults' lives with so many of the projects and so many of the people who work with the kids. But these kids and these adults who are there, they enrich the lives of everybody around them, don't they, with their senses of humor and their accomplishments and their courage?
Absolutely. They touch the lives of every person they meet.
Yeah.
And I see that firsthand with our son. There isn't anyone that meets him that isn't changed by him.
Yeah, you know, we all have our disabilities, don't we? I mean, some are more apparent than others, but I've never met a perfect human being.
No. I think Ryan's a perfect human being, but...
Well, I look forward to meeting him then later today.
Yes, we look forward to seeing you there.
That'll be fun. Okay, so just quickly, where do people need to come and what time do things start?
It's Liberty Park in Peapack, New Jersey. Registration begins at 7:30. I think the first event is the 50-mile bike ride.
Great.
And the walk that we all do with the children starts at 11:30, so they can register right up to the time of the walk.
All right, we'll both be there. It's going to be a lot of fun. Debbie O'Connor, thanks a lot.
Thanks,
look forward
Don.
to seeing you there later today. And you can take part in a Miles for Matheny event by just head out to Liberty Park in Peapack, New Jersey.